Welcome, today in front of me CUBOT Note 9 and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first let's launch the Google application, and after that tap on the right down corner to more icon. Then click here to the settings and tap the voice section. After that click to the voice match, and to activate Hey Google feature we should click here only once on the switcher. Now just tap on the right down corner to more, to the next, read the description and click yes I agree. Now just say OK Google. OK Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Now just tap here to finish, and that's it. So now Hey Google feature successfully activated. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.